Good morning, dear students. The question answers which we are discussing, it may be cover the fill in the blanks, must the following 2 marks, everything. So let us recall once again all the question answers. Which galaxy does the solar system belong to? Our solar system is the family of the Sun. It is a part of a galaxy called Milky Way or Akash Ganga. What is Earth's surface made up of? The Earth's surface is made up of land and water. Three-fourths of the surface of the Earth is covered with water, while the remaining part is covered by land. Name the natural satellite of Earth. The Moon is the natural satellite of Earth. How many planets are there in the solar system? Name them. There are 8 planets in the solar system and they are as follows: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. What is a constellation? Give an example. A group of stars that appears to form a pattern in the sky is called constellation. For example, the group of stars that forms in the shape of a small bear is called Ursa Minor. What would happen if the Earth stops rotating on its axis? If the Earth stops rotating on its axis, there would be no occurrence of day and night. In which part of Asia is India located? India is located in the southern part of Asia. Which two island groups are part of India? Andaman and Nicobar Islands in the Bay of Bengal and Lakshadweep Islands in the Arabian Sea. Write the names of the water bodies that surrounded India. India is surrounded by three water bodies: Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal, and Indian Ocean. What are the political divisions of India? The states and union territories of India are called the political divisions of India. Next, name the neighboring countries of India. The neighboring countries of India are Pakistan, Afghanistan, Nepal, Bhutan, China, Bangladesh, and Sri Lanka. Why is India known as a peninsular country? India is known as peninsular country as of its sides are surrounded by water bodies, and southern part of India is called peninsula. Name the physical features of India. The physical features of India includes northern plains, Great Indian Desert, southern plateaus, coastal plains, and highland. How is peninsula different from an island? A peninsula refers to a piece of land which is surrounded by water on three sides, whereas highland is surrounded by water on all its sides. Name the three ranges of the northern mountains. The Karakoram range, the Himalayan range, and the Purvanchal range are the three ranges of the northern mountains. Which range of northern mountains remains covered with the snow throughout the year? The Himalayan range or the Greater Himalayas. Name the states in which the northern mountains of India are located. The northern mountains of India are located in Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, and Tripura. Next, how many ranges does the Himalayas consist of? Again, in the Himalayas, we have classification, that is Greater Himalayas or Himadri, Lesser Himalayas or Himachal, Lower Himalayas or Shivalik. Write three ways in which the northern mountains are useful to us. The northern mountains act as a natural barrier and protect our borders. They prevent the extreme cold winds of Central Asia from entering India. There are a source of many rivers. So, students, not only these 3 points, you can refer the points from the textbook in order to score good marks. So, you can add 2, 3 more points to this answer. Write the three ways in which the northern mountains are useful to us, or state the importance of northern mountains. If I ask, you need not to write only 3 points, you can write it 5 to 6 points. And why is the Imadri range always covered with snow? It is because the peaks are higher than that of the other ranges of the Himalayan range. Name the three river basin of the northern plains. The three river basin of the northern plains are Satluj River Basin, Ganga River Basin, and the Brahmaputra River Basin. Name some tributaries of Ganga: the Gagra, Gomti, Gandak, Kosi, Yamuna, Chambai, Betwa, and Son rivers are some tributaries of Ganga River. Name the largest delta of the world. The Sundarban Delta is the largest delta of the world. Now, what makes the northern plains fertile? The northern plains are drained by many rivers. These rivers originate in the mountains and bring with them silt, sand, stone, and clay. They deposit these sediments in the banks of the river and thereby make the northern plains very fertile. Briefly describe the journey of the Brahmaputra River from Tibet to Bay of Bengal. The Brahmaputra River originates in Tibet, where it is called Sangpo. It enters India through its state Arunachal Pradesh and it flows through Assam state before it enters to Bangladesh. Then the Brahmaputra River joins the Padma River and forms the largest delta in the world, that is Sundarban Delta, before falling into the Bay of Bengal. What is the name of the desert that is located in India? The desert located in India is known as the Great Indian Desert, Western Desert, or Thar Desert. Name the river that flows through the desert of India. The Loni River flows through the desert of India. What is a camel? Why is a camel called the ship of the desert? A camel is called the ship of the desert because it is the main means of transport in the desert. Who are nomads? The people who move from one place to another place in search of food and water are called nomads. Describe briefly the location of the southern plateaus. The southern plateaus of India lies to the south of northern plains. Which river divides the southern plateaus into two regions? The Narmada River divides the southern plateaus into two regions. Name the states covered by southern plateaus. Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Odisha, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh. These are the states covered by the southern plateaus. Briefly describe the natural vegetation that exists in southern plateaus. So, the southern plateaus are rich in natural resources like plants and greeneries with thick forest. Trees like oak, teak, sal, sandalwood, mahua, bamboo, rosewood, mahogany, ebony are found here. Animals like elephants, amba, boar, deer, leopard, spotted deer, nilgai, black buck, chausinga, and sloth bear are we can see in this region. Most of the rivers of southern plateaus flow from west to east. Can you tell why? Because southern plateau slopes from west to east. That's why most of its rivers flow from west to east. So, dear students, please not only you should prepare for the question answers part, even for the oral test. You should read the textbook and read the lessons once. You can get 1 mark answers even from these question answers as well. So, thank you.